We're going to show you a few more orchid species here. There's some on this tree. So this variety here, you want to come closer up. So this is nicknamed like the dragon orchid because it's got the long stem like a dragon. And then each flower here is like the dragon's beard at the end, below their nose that kind of stick out and hang down from the dragon's face. So you can see this one is just starting to ready to flower soon. Never seen this species before, but it makes sense, you know, with the flowers hanging down just like what you would see on a dragon's face, like their beard. And then you can see a few other species here. This one's just ready to flower. This is one that flowers around the lunar new year to welcome people into the new year. And we'll show you ones on the other side that are actually fully open. And then on the other side, this is the same one as the dragon orchid. This one just hasn't produced the flower buds yet. And then this one on the top here is a little bit different. I can't remember the name of this one, but as you can see, like the stems are a lot thinner and the roots on the top there, they're a lot more thinner than like some of the other orchids that we're showing you here too. They look like spiders, kind of spider legs climbing up the side of the tree. So we'll go on the other side here and I'll show you the one here that flowers for the lunar new year. So this one's already open and there is a darker purple we've seen near our resort. You can see these are just starting, which is now it's coming up to the lunar new year. So all these ones are just starting to open up and you can see how they climb. And also too, these are all native to Vietnam as well. So a lot of these species, I think there's around 1,000 species native to Vietnam, possibly more. But yeah, these are all ones that are naturally from the forest here. And if you ever on the mountainside and you're looking at the forest and you see some tall trees that have white stem, that's actually this one here. The owner here told me this is one tree that came from the forest. And as we came up here on the bus, I can see these trees up the high mountainside and you can just see the white colors sticking out of the brush. And I really wanted to see one of these actually in person, so I'm glad I can see one here and be able to experience it myself. But I'll give you a quick tour of this, another part of the resort here, and show you some more of the orchid flowers. And then down the other end, we'll make our way down here. You can see all the different statues that they carve here as well. It's a really nice art. And this is another tree that I just noticed here too. I'm not sure the name of this one. I'm going to look it up later, but you can see how many flowers are coming on this tree right now. Very beautiful. And then on the other end, again, I seen these vines all over the place in Thailand, and I just noticed them here. And this is, they're just coming into bloom too. Very bright neon orange flowers. And you can see how much it trails along anything, just like what you would see similar to like a wisteria or a clematis vine back home in Vancouver. Yeah, nice colors. Everything's so vibrant and so bright colors, like neon orange. Even a lot of the annuals that we grow in the summertime, they don't have colors like this. But yeah, I thought I'd do a quick live video and show you a little more of what we're checking out here, and hopefully you guys can enjoy the same experience as we are.